In this video, I'm going to show you why FreeCAD 1.0 is different from AutoCAD and SolidWorks subscription. Also, I will show you how you can make a simple animation like this one in FreeCAD. It's me. Let's get started. So why it is different? It's because in FreeCAD you have a lot of things for free. For example, here you can see I have a lot of different models. I can just go ahead and click on one of them and I can edit this model. Just for the comparison, let's open AutoCAD. So here we have AutoCAD. In order to edit any drawing, you need to have a subscription. It'll cost you at least $200 per month. And what you can do here is just 2D drawings. You cannot even create 3D objects. Let's go back to FreeCAD. Here you have everything for free. You don't need any subscription. Also, there are no limitations. You can use this software for personal use or for commercial use. Also, you can make 3D models and you can create animations. Now I will show you how you can make this kind of animation in FreeCAD. So let's go to the design workbench because we are going to create a part. We have different workbenches here in FreeCAD. Each of them have different tools. So let's create a new document. I will call it my piston. And now we are in the design workbench. First of all, I'm going to create a box. I will make this size 50 by 50 by 50, and after that, I will just go ahead and extrude this object. And here we have our first part. Now I'm going to create a cylinder. I will create it with the same size of the base. After that, I will extrude this object also. And now I have this kind of part. If I go ahead and hide the first part, you can see only the cylinder. Now I will create a new sketch. And in this sketch, I'm going to create a circle. The radius of this circle is 5. I will just go ahead and select this circle and I will add a thickness to it. So now we have our piston head. Let's put it on top of our cylinder and we need to rotate it 90 degrees. Now we have our piston. And now I would like to show you how you can make threads in FreeCAD. Let's create a new sketch. Select the center of your object and create a circle. The radius of this circle is 5. And then go to the dimension tool and add a dimension to this circle. Make sure that the dimension is equal to 5. And now you can see we have a circle with a thread. You can also create gears in FreeCAD. Let's create a new sketch. Go to the gear tool and create a gear. The pressure angle is 20 degrees. Add this gear to the sketch, and now you can see we have a gear. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.